Welcome to our fascinating journey into the world of puzzles. Are you all wondering what puzzle we will solve today? Let's dive in. Look, it's scattered. It's all set now. Let's take the first piece. It has a butterfly on it. Where do we put it? Yes, on the left side. Okay, looking good. Let's take the second piece. I think that's a fur and maybe an ear. Where do we put it? Correct. In here. Now the third piece. Do you know what is this? No? It's okay. Let's put it in here. Clue time. The first clue is I'm furry and hop around with glee. Who am I? If you can't answer now, it's okay. Let's continue to the puzzle. Let's continue to the fourth piece. See this piece carefully. Then we put it in here like this. This is the fifth piece. Whoa! I think this is the main part of the puzzle. You can see the face in here. Let's take the sixth piece. I think that's a flower. We should put the piece in here. Clue time! Now we have 4 words. The second clue is carrots are my favorite. You see. Who am I? It's the 7th piece. I think that's a leg there. We should put it in here like this. The 8th piece. We are close to the end of the puzzle here. Let's put the 8th piece in here. The last piece. It's clue time before we complete the puzzle. The last clue is in gardens. I'm known to cause some trouble. Yes! I am a rabbit. Correct. We made it, guys. We complete the puzzle. You are so clever that you can guess the puzzle correctly. Good job. Here is a reward for you guys. Rabbit's video. Please do like and subscribe to watch our next videos without missing it. Thank you guys. Goodbye.